Hello guys, this is your friend the Great Lobbyist back again with another awesome video, and today we're gonna talk about another phone that has always been your favorite, the series that has always been your favorite, the brand that has always been your favorite. Yes guys, we're going to talk about the Xiaomi's Redmi Note 9T. Now this is an extension of the Redmi Note 9 series which was launched last year. This is the latest, probably the last addition to the Note 9 series from Redmi. And this is a great phone, as I've heard. But we're going to find all about it. But before we get on to doing that, can I please request you to press the subscribe button and the notification icon if you're watching us on YouTube, on Facebook, like and follow us there, and Instagram, follow, TikTok, follow, and across all the platforms, do like, share, and comment on our videos so that we keep sharing all the love with you and with each other. So guys, getting straight on to the business, we got the Redmi Note 9T. This is a 5G smartphone, mid-range ish, not very expensive, but has a decent amount of power into it. We're going to find out all about, but let's look at the box first. Simple, typical Redmi branding, Xiaomi branding, simple. This is a 4GB 128 variant. It also comes in 4 and 64 as well. And as you can see on the image here, something different on the camera layout. They're going with a ring design here. So we're going to find all about it, but let's find out what's inside the box first. So getting straight on to it, we've got this tiny little box, which has, of course, these SIM tray pin, some paperwork shenanigans, which are not of any use, and then a silicone cover, which comes with it. We're going to put this on the side. We're not going to use that. And then we straight away have the phone. We're going to look into it again. Let's look at what's under this. We've got the adapter here and the USB Type-C cable. And of course, as most of the brands, no headphones, but we don't need them anymore. We have started using the Bluetooth stuff more often than anything else. So let's keep this on the side. So guys, this is the phone. Let's get to unwrap this bad boy. A beautiful looking piece. As you can see, beautiful purple color. We're going to tell you all about other colors as well. Let's get rid of this as well so that we can have the complete look and feel of the phone. Great looking phone, guys. As from the speak of it, plastic body at the back, but the beautiful textured finished and the 3D curved edges here are giving it that beautiful premium feel to it. It's a textured finish, so no fingerprint problems. Beautiful texture, actually. It gives it a nice glossy feel to it, but not bling bling glossy, not mirror gloss. So ring design of the camera, we're going to talk all about it. We've got the fingerprint scanner on the side, volume toggles on the same side as well, and the SIM card tray. It's got a dedicated micro SD card slot, and a dual SIM. So one of the things about the dual SIM when it comes to 5G smartphones is that they normally one of them works on 5G, the other one doesn't. So, but they have fixed that here. They've made sure that both the phones work on 5G at all the time, so you don't have to worry about connectivity problems anywhere, whether you're streaming data or attending calls, or so you're going to get great quality of sound and complete beautiful network on both the phones at 5G speeds. So that's amazing. 4x4 MIMO is the data technology, which means you get smoother and efficient data connectivity at all times, because it creates multiple data paths to ensure that faster and smoother connection. 360-degrey asymmetrical antenna layout, which gives you an optimal 5G signal under all the times and under any circumstances. So, which is amazing as well. Now, after looking at the body, of course, the Gorilla Glass 5 on the front with a plastic body and frame, of course. So this is a 6.53 inches of IPS LCD display, which gives you 450 nits of brightness and 84% screen to body ratio, 1080p by 2340 pixel on FHD plus display. This is in the aspect ratio of 19.5 to 9, which packs 395 ppi density. So you can expect some great screen visuals at the time. So I've turned this on. As you can see, so we're going to go down to English so that it starts setting up. Here we go, and next. So we're going to look at this in a bit. Again, under the hood, after looking at this beautiful phone, which also has a 3.5mm jack, by the way, is MIUI 12 built on Android 10, but we can expect an upgrade happening before the end of the year, because the first round of phones we're going to get this upgrade is going to be in April, and the second one is going to be end of the year. So either of the two ranges, you will definitely get an upgrade to 12.5 MIUI and Android 11. So great stuff there. Mediatek Dimensity 800U 5G 7nm chipset. A very powerful chipset for a mid-range phone. Mediatek Dimensity has been making a lot of noise, so you can expect some great performance of this phone as well with 800U. I think the top ranges are coming with Dimensity 1000, which is a 5nm chipset, but this one is 7nm, but nm and 800U. But you can still expect great performance, keeping in mind that this is a mid-range phone. It's an octa-core processor CPU, which has two 2.4 GHz Cortex-A76 and 6 2 GHz Cortex-A55 processors in it. So, and a Mali G57 MC3 on the GPU. So great amount of power, decent amount of power under the hood here. Of course, we've spoken about the dedicated micro SD card slots, so dual SIM, dual SIM, 64.4 and 128.4 on the storage and RAM. And we've got, coming on the camera, 48 megapixel f1.8 26mm as a primary camera, 2 megapixel f2.4 on the macro, and 2 f2.4 on the depth, which all this gives you 4K at 30 frames per second on a video. On the front, we've got a pinhole camera right here, which is a 13 megapixel f2.3. It's a standard camera. Now, selfie camera could have been made wide lens, and of course the rear camera should have been should have had an ultra wide camera as well. But again, for the entry level phone, for a mid-range entry level phone, that isn't bad. And of course, when you talk 48 megapixels on a Xiaomi phone, you can expect great quality, because Xiaomi prides on their camera and imaging quality across all their phones. So they will not feel a big difference, because the quality of the imaging on Xiaomi phones is always great. 5000 mAh battery with 18 watt fast charger, which can give you 33% charge in 30 minutes. So you just need a little over an hour to fully charge it from zero, but for 30 minutes 33 is not too bad either. So great looking phone. Comes in also Nightfall Black, if you want a little bit more subtle. This is a little bit more funky and a little bit more chic. I think girls should definitely go for it. I'm not trying to say that guys can't. Some people do love their brightness in the colors as well, but I would like to go in for a black one if I was given a choice. I've got the purple one here, but this is Daybreak Purple, and Nightfall Black is the other option available. A great looking phone at a great price of under 1,000 dirhams. This is the Xiaomi's Redmi Note 9T, and this is a chance for you to win this phone. All you have to do is follow us across all our platforms on The Great Lobbyist, and like, share and comment on our videos. Tell us one thing that you loved about this phone, that is your favorite, which will probably get you to buy this, and we will give you a chance to win. One of you lucky winners a chance to win this phone. So get on to it, and I'll see you guys soon with the next video. This is your friend The Great Lobbyist signing off with Xiaomi Redmi Note 9T. Keep yourself safe. Peace.